I have some leftover mashed potatoes. I'm making loaded mashed potato balls. Bacon in the oven, 385 for about 20 minutes. My wife's special recipe, I'm gonna post it before Thanksgiving. It already has butter, sour cream, salt, and pepper, so don't tell me I didn't season it. Shred the cheese of your choice. I'm using white American. Add the cheese to the potatoes. Cut up some green onions, or some scallions, or chives, or whatever the heck you wanna call them. Add them in, mix them all up. 2 eggs. A little milk, add some panko. Bacon's done and done to perfection. We're gonna fry these balls in this great bacon grease. Look how much I get. I need now 40 more pounds of bacon, or just get me a tub of bacon up. Cut up your bacon, add the bacon, another mix. Now we're gonna form them into balls. Egg wash, panko. In the fridge for 30 minutes. These are only gonna take a few minutes till they're golden brown. Serve it as a side dish or dip it in your favorite sauce. Are you kidding me?